Hello, Sir Jeremy. My name is Samuel Pardaman Pardosi. Now I will explain my Meet project. So let me share screen first. Okay, now in this navbar TSX, it's a component is a responsive navigation bar built using React TypeScript Tailwind CSS. It consists of several key elements, including a logo section, a navigation menu, notification button, and user profile dropdown. The navigation menu utilizes navlink from React Rotterdam to enable smooth routing between pages while highlighting the active link. The notification button features a bell icon with hover and focus effect. The user profile section includes a drop-down menu which display options like profile, setting, and sign out, along with an avatar image. Additionally, the component is designed to be mobile friendly, using disclosure to create a collapsible menu on smaller screen. This makes the navbar both functional and visually appealing while ensuring a smooth user experience. Now is product form.tsx. Um, the product form is a React from using TypeScript, React hook form, and Tailwind CSS for adding or editing product data. It takes three props to prefill fields when editing. The form includes fields for title, description, price, category, and discount percentage with validation. If editing, it asks for confirmation before submitting. The UI adapt dynamically, displaying either add product or save product, ensuring a smooth user experience. Add product. The add product component allows users to add new product using React Query and Axios. It defines the add product function which sends a post request to add. The component utilized to handle the API request, providing to trigger the request, to track success status, and is pending to indicate a loading state. When the request is successful, use effect automatically redirect the user to the product page using use navigate. A loading overlay appears when the request is in progress. The component renders a heading and the product form component passing mutate as a prop to handle submission. Finally, it is export for use in the parts of the application. Now, the cards component is a simple placeholder that currently display on a basic message cards page. To enhance its functionality, you can fetch card data from an API or local state to display the items added to the card. Now comments. The comments com the comments component manage a list of comments using React hooks and API calls. In initialized state for comments is loading an error. On component mount, use effect fetch comments from the API and update the state. The add comment function fetch a random comment, assign it a temporary local ID, adds it to the UI, and when send it to the API. Once the API responds with an actual ID, the state is updated accordingly. The update command function allows user to edit a comment, prompting them to enter a new text, then sending an update request to the API. If the comment was only stored locally, an alert preference update. Similarly, remove comment deletes a comment from both the UI and API, but if the comment is local only, it is removed directly without an API request. The UI includes a heading, an error or loading message, an add comment button, and a list of comments with edit and delete option. Each comment is displayed inside a style container with buttons for modifying or removing it. This component ensures smooth user interaction with real-time state update while handling error gracefully. Home. component creates a visually um, appealing animate welcome screen using Framer Motion and Tailwind CSS. It centers a heading which H1 on a full screen background with a deep blue color. Background blue 900. The heading used Framer Motion for animation. Initially, it starts with reduced opacity with opacity 0 and a smaller scale by 0.8. Then it animates to full opacity and normal size scale 1 over a duration of 1 second. Additionally, when hover it slightly and rage which scale 1.5 and gains a glowing text shadow effect. Uh, Pause.tsx is a component provides a dynamic interface for managing pause using React hooks, Framer Motion, and API service. It initially states for pause, new title, and new body, while use effect pause from the API on mount. User can add new posts by entering a title and body, which are first displayed locally with a temporary ID before being sent to the API. If successful, the post ID is updated with the actual one from the API. Updating a post prompt user to edit its content, immediately reflecting change in the UI while attempting an API update. If the update fails, the previous state is restored. Posts can also be deleted both locally and from the API. If deletion fails, the post list is refactored from the API. The UI is styled with Tailwind CSS featuring smooth animation with Framer Motion. The heading and form elements animate and mount while posts animate in and out dynamically. Interactive button respond with hover effects and changing user experience. Product this product component fact and display a list of product using React Query, Axios, and React Router for navigation. It efficiently handles loading state with skeleton UI placeholders, ensuring a smooth user experience. The fact product list function retrieve product data via an API call, while fetching product skeleton component are rendered as placeholders. Once data is available, it maps over the product and display them in a responsive grid format. Each product card includes an image, title, description, and price with a hover effect for better UI. Clicking on a product navigates to its detailed page using use navigate floating add product button at the bottom right allows user to navigate to the add product page. Tailwind CSS provides styling for a clean and modern design. Now product details. This code is React component way. This code is a React component that display product details with features such as data fetching, product deletion, and skeleton loading UI while data is being retrieved. Recipe.tsx is a recipe management app that allows users to add, edit, and delete recipe with animation powered by Framer Motion. User can enter a recipe name and ingredients in input fields and click the Add Recipe button to add it to the list. Clicking Edit Prompt, the user to update the recipe name and ingredients, the upload value are then sent to the API. Now, to-dos. This React allows user to add, edit, toggle, and delete tasks with smooth and interactive UI. It fetches data from an API and manages tasks using Framer Motion animation. Now we will going to the Okay, so this is my web. As we can see, this is the list of product. We can see here. Now, for example, we can do like enter the recipe name and enter the ingredient. And for example, is pizza and the ingredient flour. We can also delete it, or we can edit the name. Now pause. For example, Unai. Now we can edit the title, or we can delete it too. Uh, this is, for example, go to the gym. We can check the list. We can edit and we can delete it too. That's it. All my explanation. Thank you. God bless you.